Okay, cool. So, hi, Dr. Kendra. So, what we're going to do is that we're going to be using a platform called Calendly, whereby my clients are going to be able to view your public available slots. Google Calendars doesn't have that kind of feature that Calendly has. It's a little bit more, Google Calendars is a little bit backwards a little bit. There's a lot more into it. It hasn't got to the level of Calendly. So what you're gonna do on this quick tutorial, you're gonna go to Calendly, calendly.com. When you get there, you just sign in with your Google account. It's gonna go through. Let's go through and sign in with Google. My internet's a little bit slow. Okay, perfect. So I'll say my name there. I'll sign in with my name there. So the main point of this whole exercise is that I want you to sync your Google Calendar with Calendly. So you see that this will allow Calendly to see, edit, share, and permanently delete all calendars that you can access using Google Calendar. So Calendly will customize your appointments and make it a lot more simpler for us also. So I'll say allow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Because you find with Google Calendars or even Microsoft Calendars, it's okay. Where am I at? Okay, cool, 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 cool. So now this is my old stuff. So I'm gonna go here by integrations to see if it has integrated my Google Calendars and close that. So when I go here, I just went here by integrations, and then I come here. So I can see all of the integrations that are available. Where's my Google Calendar? There's my Google Calendar. So let's click on it. Oh, it's got even Google Analytics. Perfect. Hey. Okay. And then it's syncing my calendar. There's my calendar. So basically, it was there the whole time. I checked for conflicts, blah, 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 blah. Edit. So my calendar was there the whole time. But in your case, since you're gonna, if you're using it for the first time, you will say add calendar. So when I go home and I go here, I'm gonna say create. Let's create it. Let's say one of meetings. So if I say one of meetings there, it'll open me up to my Google Calendar. You see that it opens me up to my Google Calendar. So let's say it's a Tuesday today. Um, I can create as I just click on it, then it creates as many slots as I need. It's just my website is a little bit slow, my internet. So it's just a click like this, a click like this. Like since you're open in the morning, let's say you're open from 9 o'clock up until 1 o'clock. So you just do that, click, 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 click like that, up until Friday. Click that up until 1 o'clock. So these are all your available slots. Then you will say next. After you say next, what I like is that you are going to select that you're going to be doing the meetings on Zoom. And then from there, you just share meeting link. And then you share this link with me. You just WhatsApp me this link. Copy link, copied. So when I go to the copied link, I just get your meeting, your open slots like that. It'll open up. Perfect. Here's your open slots. If I then want to book you, I can see that you're only available from 9:15 to 14 to 2 o'clock. Unlike Google Calendars, whereby it shows your availability throughout. If I go to Thursday, you're only available for those 3 time slots. If I go to Friday, you're available for those. If I go to Saturday, you're available for one slot. So it makes things a lot more simpler. So do it in that way and then send me a link and let's see. Okay, Dr. Kendra, talk to you soon.